Okay, it's Crypto Trimmer. It's October 12th of 2023. So, looking at the markets, let's take a look at Bitcoin. If you look at month down, today we reported inflation of about a little bit slightly higher than expected, 3.7% versus 3.6%. So obviously the markets kind of took it a little bit you know on the negative side, but so if we look at the 1 month chart, you know, 1 month chart still clearly going into the yellow zone, right? We're getting out of red zone. It's going to be turbulent, but little by little we're going to get out of it. So we're here, down there, and so if you look at the MACD is obviously crossed up in a while. We better not lose it back, but usually that's not the case. If you look at the 1 month, it's tinkering in and out, right? Like it wants to kind of step away, right? So we finally crossed it. And same thing with Chainlink, and so still think that Chainlink's gonna outperform the market next couple months. History doesn't repeat, often rhymes. I learned my lesson last time to kind of switch over my Chainlink into Ethereum or Bitcoin because obviously got outperformed in 2021 by both of them. So, Bitcoin, let's look at the 1 week. 1 week, still, really choppy, right? When these markets are so boring, nothing much to update, right? You might see a little, lower kind of coming, right? We have the green here signifying, then we still need to wait for the red until it goes up again, right? So 2 day not looking the best. We still need to correct a little bit more. 12 hours looking a little bit more bullish, right? 2 days, so it depends on how you trade. You want to do a trade now, it's looking more on the bullish side. Everything's kind of going down. Yet it hasn't really flashed the yellow dot yet, so I wouldn't really pull the trade unless you want to really take a quick scalp, which I don't really do. So it's up to you guys. So let's see. Bitcoin looking really boring. Ethereum's the one that's kind of collapsing right now. So usually it's been collapsing quite a bit. I remember it was like 1700 a couple weeks ago. Now we're back down to 1500. It's just so freaking tiresome. So let's look at the 1 month chart. 1 month chart, same thing with Bitcoin, right? Wants to really cross that MACD, hasn't done so. It actually looks worse than Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, yeah, Ethereum not looking that great. So let's kind of look deeper. Yeah, and it's gonna cross. Holy crap, this looks terrible. Because you compared it with Chainlink. Chainlink. Chainlink has been quite the opposite, right? 1 month chart looking really bullish, just cross the MACD finally, right? We're going up. I think we're gonna hit like $30. $30 in the next couple of months, which should be insanely good. So not to like stress out so much, but let's see, just $30. Yeah, $30 would be great. 1 week, 2 week, like everything's kind of lining up where it's supposed to be. So, you know, let's run this to $30, 20 or $30. It's gonna be hard passing 36, so it's just might just chop in here, and then boom, we go up to like 100 plus. Still targeting 175, based upon like my previous videos. It's like a Link BTC. Link BTC 1 weekly looks kind of over exhausted. Actually, let's start with the month. But I'm mostly trading 1 month to 3 weeks, max 2 weeks, right? I'm just so tired of trading 2 days. 2 days you could go up and down, up and down, up and down, but it's totally not worth it. As I learned in the last bull cycle, I was stressed out 24/7 trying to leverage trade, and you win some, but you also lose a shit ton once the market kind of collapses. So really just trade the 2 week to be on the safer side. Looks kind of exhausted on the BTC pair, right? But if you look at the USD pair, a little bit similar, but a little bit more bullish too. You're looking at 1 month. This has run up pretty hard, really fast, the stock RSI, but the RSI is really still below 48. Once it kind of crosses this, which is above 70, then you're like, okay, what's going on here, right? But just look at this price action and like the way it ran up, right? So this could easily run up again. Let's look at Linked. This one should clearly are performing at the so. Yeah, 1 week. Looking kind of exhausted, which makes no sense because links remain pretty solid. Link had single-handedly like kind of saved my portfolio. And I've just been buying it from like 529, 529, 529. Every time it keeps thinking it's gonna go up, yep, sticks within that range. Let's see, let's look at AVAX. AVAX fucked it up because they were doing so good and then they hacked their, arena. And it lost the bullishness. So that volume spike up. Went up to 11, went back down. But if you look at the 3-week chart, still super undervalued. Looks like it wants to kind of cross up 1 month. 1 month, I can't really tell. It doesn't have too much data. So look at the 2-week. It's kind of really messy. So I think it would just be chopping from here to maybe like 7.5. 7.5 to 15. I think it's a huge range, but it's been getting suppressed a lot. It kind of sucks because it's a really good project, super fast. My favorite L1. To be honest, you don't pay a lot of fees. I love Trader Joe. Easy. Survive the bear market. Right. Let's look at here. 10.6. So 10 points, like the 11 was like the top here. And we went back down, as is tradition. Let's see here. This is cool. Also, Red Capital, been following him for a while. Like I said, Chainlink is now going for a retest of the macro downtrend to fully confirm its breakout. So that's what's confirming right now. And then we shoot up. Right. Everyone's like kind of like everything's so tiresome. Look at other kind of link news. Let's see. On-chain signs reveals that wallets have been accumulating like crazy. There are 6% more addresses holding 100K to what the heck since September 18th. That's quite a lot. So that means big accounts are accumulating. Yeah, exactly. So he's predicting retest, boom, 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 we move up. Yeah, but we just need to go up. This is so tiring. It's been like a freaking year with the same price range. You go crazy, right? See any more news? Let's see. Also, Mike is not a really good guy. Right, me, oh god, I hate this guy. Is it good to trade, not too good to hold? At least 19 needs to get some bullish momentum above the top. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Market's looking kind of shaky. We'll see what the Fed says. There's going to be interest rates in the next couple months or not. But interest rates are super high. We can't. People can no longer afford houses. I sure couldn't if I played now. So let's keep this momentum going, and I know it hurts to wait, but in a year from now you're gonna be glad you held in these like super lows. Yeah, they're just trying to sweep out as many people as they can or liquidate. Right? If you look at Bitcoin liquidations, this is why I don't leverage trade anymore. It's just too volatile. I did win a lot last time, but it's just like nope. After Chainlink went down like from 36 to 16, I was like, what? This is super manipulated. Look at the liquidation charts. 1 hour, 4 hour. Total 50 million. So people lost 50 million today. You kind of see, how much people have been getting wrecked. Dude, on the daily basis, people are still getting wrecked. It's pretty insane. This day, 122 million. That's crazy. I remember this day. I was like, what the heck with this one? Almost $1 billion liquidated. August 16th. Which is insane. And keep liquidating. You just want to take all your money, so just be careful out there, guys. And that's it on my end. Peace.